Hello everyone, welcome to the LookX AI tutorial video series, episode 7. Today, we will introduce our community platforms, Creations Plaza and Models Agora. Open our generation history, and you will see a share option under every result. Click it to share your work to the Creations Plaza. Let's enter the community and click all. You can see our work is now displayed on the interface. This means that others have the right to download and use your creations. Likewise, you can also use the results shared by other users for reference. Select a category you are interested in, for example, architectural design, and choose a result that catches your eye. Here, you can see the prompt, the reference image, and other parameter details used to generate this result. Click to start compare, and you can see the comparison between the image before and after rendering based on the reference. You can also click to download the image or generate a video based on it. If you wish to edit this result, click Generate the same. We will be redirected to the image rendering interface, where you can adjust the parameters and prompts based on the original settings and generate new images. Going back to the home page, let's enter the model Agora. Different from sharing image and video results, this platform is for sharing trained LoRa models. You can train your own models here or upload existing ones. Of course, you can also browse the community to select models you want to use. Hover your mouse over Apply Model and select the application mode. This way, you can use this model for image generation. That is the main content of this video. In the final episode, we will introduce our team subscription and customization services. See you next time.